Accidents happen. But the Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is here to rescue your carpets from spots and stains. Just spray, scrub, and suction to remove daily messes with full-size power in a compact design. Hoover's high-performance expert solutions and antimicrobial tools help tackle tough stains wherever they happen. And it's the only spot cleaner with a self-cleaning hose that flushes out dirt and bacteria for a spotless clean inside and out. The Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner.